Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Ah, it's a little car. Okay. Let's start this nested template, I think. No, we won't. We'll start it with an element template. Set this background to that. Get rid of the widths on that. Sixty looked about right. Okay, 70 down. 52 wide. Perfect. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then we'll make this a conic gradient at 19, not 990. And we'll make this the yellow, 25%, then transparent. Start that at 0. Make it 10, 250 wide. Just like that. That gets us that car body. Then I think what we do, we just add a second key. So we're going to do minus plus P, marking 0, background. That's the purple. Set the widths 50, the height of 50, with the radius 1 in. Okay, maybe it's 60 and 60. That looks about right. Should be minus 30. Go to 0 and go in 60, 70, 82. Instead of specifying this as a background, we're going to pop shadow, inset 1 in, 1 in. We're going to set color to the purple. Then we're going to go 100 pixels 0. About 30, 40, 50, 60. That looks like it should be 100%. That is indeed 100%. So let's minify and unit replace. Those. can probably get rid of this width by doing 0, 82, 0, 1. No, this one should be 82, 182, 2, 5, 4, 4, 4. All looks good. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Let's also change that body to an ampersand. Could we do this another way? I think we could do this as 3 gradients on the body. So first off, let's make a conic gradient. 60 to 340. 280, so that's 280 pixels. Height wise, we're going 70 to 230, so 160. And then make it blue, 75%, and then the yellow. Then let's shift it into place, so 60 pixels and 60 pixels. See how far out that is. 70 pixels down. Perfect. And then 0 to 150, so we're going to do a conic gradient. This that's spot on 150, so at 150 pixels, transparent, 75%, and then it's blue. That's the front of the car. Then, as we did before, we make this 260 pixels, was it? No, about 280, 290, about 310. That gets us all of that. Then for the wheels, we just want a radial gradient. The purple was 30 pixels, then transparent. Want to make sure that it's a circle, so give it 1Q, which basically means that the width and the height are in a ratio of 1Q to 1Q to 1Q. And then we will shift this. Well, actually, what's the distance between the two? 90, 250. So 160. 60 pixels apart. Then we'll shift it across 30 pixels. Maybe 40 pixels. That looks good. And then we'll shift it down probably by 40 pixels. About 80 pixels. Perfect. And even before minifying and unit replacing, this is actually our shortest solution. So let's minify and unit replace. That is 100%. That's where I'm going to leave it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.